everyone. Hope you're doing good today. I've just finished talking about the emotional oils and thought, oh, I'll do a quick video on skincare. So I don't know how quick I'm going to be, but I'm going to try because we love the skincare. And a lot of people don't realize doTERRA does skincare. So I am not a huge skincare nut. So I'll just put that out there that I actually didn't really use a normal skincare or a regular skincare before doTERRA. So I tried a few different things, primarily American brands, and I used them. I mean, I obviously washed my face and I put cream on, but I should say, I guess I wasn't loyal to any one brand before doTERRA. Until I watched a doTERRA class taught by another lady, a skincare class, and she talked about the benefits of the Virage skincare collection. And after watching her, because she was in the skincare industry, so she knew what she was talking about, I was like, stuff's amazing. I'm gonna try it. And I tried it, and I'll tell you what, I fell in love with it. It was like having a spa day. I was at her house for 2 days and I used her Virage when I was there, and it was like having spa day twice a day for the 2 days I was there. And I was like, I gotta get some of this. And it was much less expensive actually than the American skincare line that I had been using. So that was a win-win. So the first kit I'm going to talk about is called Virage. Virage. It does come as a kit. You can buy the items individually too, but it's much more cost effective to buy it as a kit. And that comes with a cleanser. So self-explanatory, you know, you cleanse your face with it. Everything's infused with essential oils. So the cleanser has wild orange, melaleuca, and basil in it. Virage, for me, the reason I love it is 100% plant-based. So there are no chemicals, nothing toxic in it at all. So what you're putting on your skin is good for your body, and that's really important to me. You follow that up with a toner. So this you just spray on a cotton pad and wipe your face. A little plug, try to buy organic cotton pads if you can. They're like $1 more and help the world. They've got ylang ylang, or it's got ylang ylang, coriander, palmarosa, and cypress oils in it. You follow that up by the serum. So this hydrating serum. This is a new kit we're taking with us. So those of you just tuning in, we're traveling the world, and so I've just ordered a new kit to take on our trip. So it'll last us until we get to a country we can access doTERRA easily in. The serum has frankincense, lavender, heliochrysum, Hawaiian sandalwood, rose, and myrrh. And those are just powerhouse oils. So it comes in a really nice texture. You just take a drop, it was all it takes, and just rub it into your face. And I like to do my upper chest too. And then the last step is you follow it up with your lotion. So again, just one pump. The lotion has geranium, juniper berry, jasmine, and sea buckthorn berry in it. And again, yeah, one drop. So I've had one set of cleansers. So this is probably my 3rd set now, and I've been using the cleanser for about 6 months. So the set lasts about 2 to 3 months, depending on how much you use and if you're diligent about washing your face twice a day. So it's really great value. I think I should know the price. I want to say it's like 70 something in the US, but don't quote me on that. Send me a message and I can tell you exactly how much it is. So that's the cleanser I use.